Ka BJP Meghalaya menta kasngi kalakransa shakilat pathai kubor bakalaong baka Meghalaya ka salai nakane ka anjang ka sarkar BJP nakane ka CAA kumbangiliatip namar baka Meghalaya kadang hab haka kernit ke bahan riu siksudu namar kata batki lapen lai yakane ka Ain nakan CAA naka Meghalaya bat ki lakhliap yaka namar kamchem latre kamshu hakan neka jela Meghalaya ka jonge te kataro ngimla arban chania yakan neka ain jongka BJP namar bonsin ki lakren ka ktien henre ka kam kan sabot nadin henre kumbaki lakren hakin neki sngi ki benai ke bladep kumba umodi ru ulakren ka wei ka meeting ka chungu bar uong ngai ro ya ki kristan nadu ki por ke ba henda enthai nadu ki por ke barim namar kiru ki ledon penta ban penyo lai loi ya kari India bat penyo ya ka jela ban penyo ya kari India kumbaka long menta namar ki kristan ru ki dan benta hakan dia ka thup te kumbaki lakren ru apo asam henre uong umodi ngam shem la ban ben ya ki kristan henre kambangi la yo i baki kristan ke dang sha ban ben pleng si pleng mat plet si plet kata bangi la yo i hakilat pathai kubor man la kasngi namar hakata la khlem da peni ki kam lupa namar ye ka BJP ngimla ban chania ki paiba namar ka jingsa ban beng ki kristan kamde ka bakai namar kadang mi kisngi kadang jor ka jingsa ban beng kum ba phila yo i lei hakine ki benai ki baladep ba ka BJP bar kine ki nong sit nyam Hindu bar kiru ki lamana si sindon ba ki kristan baro ki deban pendu pendam ya kini ki mot tesu ki baki labu ayang mane ki deban penpra lupa namar ladakim penpra kin sangat haka ain ka ba saja tenre kata kada ngimla ban shania e ka BJP khlem daka pin iswa e ki kam ka Meghalaya ka lai na em nakande ka bill nakande ka ain jong ka BJP ka CAA kumbangelatif te wala kataro ngiyaya shakmat ngin siape ye ki kam tong ne pe ye ki khubor kumno ukren une uno akten ka BJP Meghalaya
Defining rules. Such step taken by the centre reassure the commitment of the Modi-led government to uplift the lives of the tribal community through various governmental schemes. Now that Meghalaya stands exempted from CAA, it is pointless for those opposing to beat around the bush, but as citizens of this great nation, we shall all work towards its progress and prosperity. It may be noted just recently 15,000 crores has been earmarked to upgrade the Umroi to Silchar road from two lanes to 4 lanes, which testifies the pro-people, pro-development agenda of Modi government. And the state unit of BJP calls upon the people of Meghalaya to support the candidates set up by the party for the coming Lok Sabha election, so that Meghalaya as a state can reap more benefits by sending 2 BJP MLAs this time around. Thank you very much. We are also waiting like you only. We don't know because the third list will be coming soon. We have already sent all the candidates' names to our Central Parliamentary Group.
How many, sir? How many names?
Names I will not say, but 5 from Tura parliamentary seat and 6 from Shillong, for Shillong constituency.
From Shillong constituency, is the name of Bahek also included, sir?
Yes. That I cannot say. No? It's all central subject only. Because whatever we have to send it, we have already sent it.
By when are you expecting the list to be out?
Maybe in the third list, it will be coming out shortly.
Tomorrow the election dates will be.
That I cannot say right now.
And how hopeful the party is, because election is just round the corner. How hopeful the party is about this election?
We are ready to fight the election. We have already started our campaigning, the party works, even that workers' convention. Everywhere we are doing our party activities.
Do you think that the issues like CAA all will play a negative role,
no.
especially in Meghalaya?
No, it will not affect. It will not affect us.
Found Elizabeth for writing a letter to the central government for uranium.
So that I am not going to answer it, please.
So, but I mean, like, will you take any action as being demanded?
No,
by the-
that is a party matter, so we'll decide it in the party itself.
Was the party aware of this letter sent by one of your katta?
No, that is not Karikata. Na. She may be our party workers, but I think she has written on behalf of some of his society or whatever NGOs which they have formed. Na.
But what is the stand of your party in regards to uranium mining in Meghalaya?
So that is a central subject, so I'm not going to give you any answer for that.
Area in the whole state of Meghalaya probably is just 1 square kilometer. And I'm very sure that we don't have any people living in that area who will require to apply for citizenship under this act, amended act.
But we have seen the Congress party has termed the CAA just as a vote ban politics of the BJP. What do you have to say?
The act was passed in 2019. And, when you look at every time what the Prime Minister has been saying, that he keeps his promise. And this was a promise that he made in the last election. And coincidentally, it happened, the rules were framed and accepted just before the elections. But the act had come out 2019. So I don't see how does it contradict?
But the NGOs have expressed concern by implementing the CAA. It will only allow illegal immigrants to come to their respective states. What do you have to say?
How will you allow illegal immigrants? Because this act is for those who entered the state prior to 31st December 2014. Now, how can you have new immigrations coming in? Because just because this act has been passed, how can you have new immigrants coming in? When this has been given effective date was 31st December 2014. So now how can you have new ones? New ones will not be considered. These are the ones who have entered 31st December 2014 prior to that.